Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Wonders Edifice. This expansion introduces communal building projects that require cooperation from multiple cities. Throughout the game, players will have opportunities to contribute to these grand structures. Your choices regarding edifices can significantly impact your city's prosperity and your final score. Let's dive into the details of how these majestic projects work. To participate in an edifice, you must pay its cost when you construct a stage of your wonder. Upon paying, you take a participation pawn from the edifice card and place it on your wonder board. There is always one fewer participation pawn than players, meaning not everyone can contribute. An edifice is successfully completed once all its participation pawns have been claimed by players. The outcome of an edifice determines rewards and penalties. If an edifice is successfully completed by the end of its age, all players who hold a participation pawn for that edifice immediately gain its specified reward, such as victory points or other advantages. However, if an edifice remains uncompleted, any player who did not contribute will suffer a penalty, potentially receiving negative victory point debt tokens. Strategic decisions are crucial when playing with edifices. You must carefully weigh the cost of participation against the potential rewards and consider if your neighbors are likely to contribute. Sometimes, cooperating to ensure an edifice's completion benefits everyone involved. Other times, focusing on your own city's development might be more advantageous, even if it means risking a penalty from a failed communal project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.